It's as usual a raw um, vlog, so I hope you guys like it. It's the coffee bar restaurant I was talking about. But look at that! Wow! Look at this beautiful thing. Really cool. Then guys, if you want any videos around about the city, about the club scene, about something, just leave it in the commentary. What's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video from the one and only Berlin, Germany. So it was a bit sunny earlier, it's not anymore. So let's go and discover a bit the city. I'm gonna take a bike that will go around. First destination will be what we call Kreuzberg. It's one of the most vibrant or vibrating or vibing places in Berlin. So we're gonna go there and check it out. But first, I need to tell you a bit about Kreuzberg, Neukölln. This is where we are right now. It's also one of the coolest places in Berlin in terms of parties, living, food options. You get it all here. So let's go check out what we got here. It's a bit dirty though, but yeah, that's what explains the cheaper rents and the authentic vibes. All right, so I'm gonna take this bike and we can check out the city. Sweet. All right, let's go. So it's as usual a raw vlog. So I hope you guys like it. So this pizza place is also one of the best in Berlin. It's pretty cheap and it has very tasty pizza options. You could um, you could also just get like one piece here. You don't have to get the whole pizza. All right, it's our time. Let's go. These two knifers, the one on the right, the one on the left, are pretty cool too. They're very authentic German knifers, where you can go and chill with friends and have some quality time. So we have about 10 to 15-minute bike ride until we get to our destination. Let's go, baby! There is a bit of sun, so I'm pretty happy. I haven't seen the sun for a long time. You know, Germany, Berlin rhymes with bad weather, but definitely good, authentic vibes in the city. Da, 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 da. Just hope I don't drop the stick. Really cool day, guys. Really cool day. So today I'm off the gym because I was yesterday there, so it's my day off. So I thought, guess what? Let me just grab the camera and fucking go for a video. I know it's been a long time, I haven't posted anything, so I thought it was the right time. Oh, look at that sun, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Really happy about the weather today, guys. So this is Hermannplatz. It's also one of the central or most important urban stations in the city. So I guess if you visit Berlin, you'll be around here a lot. Love the way, my boy. It's the famous Berlin buses. They are in yellow, so you can't miss them. And they really serve a purpose, especially at night when the U-Bahn or the trains stop running. The buses come in handy. Hopla. On the right, we got Weserstrasse, is a city known for like the nightlife and bars, etc. But we're not going there today. We're just gonna go to Cottbusser. Let's go, baby! You got the police chilling. So I also used to live in this neighborhood. I had an apartment a few months ago on the left, behind that park, as you can see. It was really one of the coolest apartments I had in town. I mean, I've been here for 8 years, so I've been really changing apartments very often. And if any of you lived in Berlin or is a Berliner, will understand why. Because it's kind of tough to find a fucking long-term spot. But yeah, it's life. It's part of the Berlin experience, I would call it. Fuck it, we're gonna run the red. Oh, now we're starting to be at Kreuzberg, one of my favorite fucking spots in town, I tell you that. And all along the way, I'm gonna show you some of the coolest spots I like to go to. There is this place, Anker Klauser, is right on the bridge. Really cool spot. You can have food, you can have drinks, and also a nice view. So I'll show you this in a second. On the left, also you got my gym. It's called John Reed. Really cool gym. Nothing fancy, but it has everything you need. So that's also something I'm happy about. Let's go, baby. Go from here a little bit. So, this is the spot I'm talking about, guys. It's a really cool spot with all of this wildlife going on there, all of the birds going for food, and also the Anchor Plaza. This is the coffee bar restaurant I was talking about. And look at that! Wow. It's just Berlin, guys. A lot of cool stuff to see. Oh, it's so funny. All of them going for the food. Because there's a guy feeding them bread. Pretty cool shit, I gotta say. Alright, off we go. So my gym is there, right there. John Reed Fitness, as you can see. And it's a really sunny day. Really happy. One of the things that had me from doing videos in Berlin was the shit weather. But now since the weather is like 1,000 times better, it's not as cold as it was a few days ago, so I'm really happy about it. And let's go discover the fucking city, guys. This is a city that, as I said, I'm gonna repeat again, I love a lot. I've been here for 8 years. I've studied here. I've been working here. I did everything here. Oh, look at this nice car. So now we're entering what we call Coachbuster Tour. And my friends, if you don't know this place, you're missing out on your Berlin trip. So I have the place where we found like the coolest food spots, bars, all of that and more. We got also one of the famous burger spots here, and I would say personally for me is the best. It's called Burgermeister. It's on my right, serves pretty cool burgers. And since I lived in America, I kind of have high standards for burgers, and this one really, really is nice. So, welcome guys. So welcome to Zentrum Kreuzberg. Let's go and try to check out some stuff around. I don't know, guys. For me, it's really one of the best places because when I was studying and low on cash, I used to come here. I used to eat, go out, and whatever little cash I had was sufficient. So also at Hasir restaurant, it's really one of the best doner kebabs. You can see how the meat is great there. And I'm just gonna take you a bit around, show you some places, some few nice spots where to come. Let's go, baby! So we're gonna be careful with the bus, or we're faster than the bus. So there's Cake Bar, a bar behind me, pretty cool as well. There is Lucia, is one of the coolest places to hang out, have coffee, have a drink, have whatever you want. There's also a lot of restaurants, as you can see around, really cool restaurants. But I'm gonna take you to one of the places that tourists don't even know it exists, because it's hidden somehow. Let's go check it out quick. This way. One of the things I like about Berlin or Germany in general is a lot of cute little parks around. Or you can also do a lot of things. Go for dates, meet friends, or just sit down by yourself and do some meditation. So I'm taking you now to this cool spot that's pretty hidden. Let's check it out. So since I live in Berlin, guys, if you need any If you want any videos around about the city, about the club scene, about something, just leave it in the commentary, and I'll check them out, and I will be happy to show you some more. Check this out. I'm not entirely sure what this place is called, but yeah, from the video you can see how to get here. It's simply you get your Cottbusser tour station and you come here. Should we go? Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Sadly, they closed this way. Look at this beautiful place, guys. Really cool. Really nice spot to hang out, especially in summer. And the good thing, even in winter, you can hang out here because there is like this beautiful coffee called Cafe Engelbecken, and it's really nice. I've been there once with friends and family. We really liked it. Okay, guys. As I said, this is one of the best spots in Berlin to come check out. It's, as I said, hidden a bit. None of the, very few tourists know about it. So make sure you come check it out. Come have some fun. And yeah, I'll see you in the next spot.